This is running his Union Pacific engine with my car. Union Pacific car. Whoops.
Why is there a Pacific car? You said you're gonna get signals.
Yeah, eventually.
Or the ding ding thing.
Yep. They're ready to stop. Go forward. Oh, there's Sweepy saying hi to everybody. Keep going, Joseph. Wow.
Whoa, put the glass on it.
Wow.
Ooh.
Backwards. He keeps going forward and backwards. I think it's having fun.
Yeah.
Go backwards and see how far it goes back without the right the rim. Trying to go slow when you back up. Slow! It's gonna derail if you don't go slow. Go ahead. Oh wow, it went all the way back that time. Okay, forward. Go slow. Alright, try that again. There's my Christmas lights by the door if you guys want to see. And the ones by the... Oh, my honey is waving high.
Look.
There's the engine going backwards.
You gotta come look at it.
Hi, Sweepy.
Does this one run? Because I know this one runs.
Keep going, Joseph. Okay, back up. Easy. Go all the way back, but go slow. And it probably won't derail if you go slow. Did it derail? Nope. It went straight back that time. You went too fast. Oh boy, here comes fast. That's Santa Fe engine.
Ka-choo!
Back up.
Oh, it's the front wheels. There. Oh, not again.
Go slow.
I am.
Did it go all the way back that time?
The car's derailed.
Oops. The one Union Pacific car is derailed back there.
Joseph,
Yeah?
we'll put this in that blue bag that's right there.
What blue bag?
In the closet.
Oh. Closet?
Hi, JP.
Ding, 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 ding.
Chinatown. Whoops. Just gonna derail like I knew it would. Hold on, folks. I gotta fix the derail it. Oh, come on.
Probably the back wheels.
No, it's the front wheels. Ah, Joseph, you do that than I am. Go ahead, go.
It stopped.
Oops.
Maybe I hit it, the glass too hard.
Put it back on the rail. You know how. Do a better job than your dad does. Oh, careful, you don't want to break it. Okay, back up. Back up, I said.
I'm gonna try some different colors.
Alright. We'll be back at you in a few minutes, folks.
Sorry, I tripped.
I don't know what I'm going to do for tonight. Probably, I was thinking about using the $40 for Domino.
Wow. That's the Christmas lights by my door. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys all later. I think that was a good video.